you have very beautiful butcher. Who will cut it? You or me? You try it. You cannot do it. Oh, you should try. Oh, you should try. So for today's video, we will goat. Goat, are you ready? Hey! Oh.
He's scared.
Oh, don't get scared of us. Hey, you are so cute. So our goat is very cute. It's so cute. Oh, we will slaughter you and make you caldereta. So you love caldereta, so I'm sorry. That's the rule of your life, to get slaughtered by her.
By you. I will only hold the goat.
Oh, she will only hold the goat and she will observe me on how to do it. So maybe next time, so we will challenge her next time to do it.
Say yes.
Yes? You said yes? Oh, the goat said, yes, I am ready. Go. Tunod lang siya. Susunugin na namin itong kambing. Magpagdidtura na ito ni sa ubos.
Hindi, payas.
Higa nga eh. So guys, nagluluto tayo ng kaldereta. O, tingnan nyo. Tanawa akong kaldereta. Hoy, padawin. Yan. Lami-lami na akong kaldereta, no? Mauna akong kaldereta. So it's very aso. So we are cooking kuan kaldereta. Ah, very bugat. Oh, lami-lami, oh. Magaling talaga ako magluto ba. So mauna na siya, no? Ayun. Bukad tayo. Kari natin. Lami-lami man siya. Daplin ko kay masyadong aso. Smile, mother. Smile, mother. Kain tayo. Sobrang init man, oy. Hirang na ang luto. Balik din na.
Naunta kay
Artista na Angel.
sudan gani ha buwad.
Yes.
Nakod.
Kain tayo.
Ikaw
Hindi
da,
kayo.
hindi ka kumain?
Hmm.
Hindi ka kumain ng kanding? Salaman dat.
Haan ka.
Tusod ang
Maulaw ka.
Maulaw siya.
So kain tayo.
Iring pa na. Lukin ka.
Uy, kadaghan niya.
Barbecue yung iring.
Bakit? Bakit?
Kalderitas. Kalderitas ug baki na kaon maka sa Ellen.
Tulay ihaw ug kamrag bumukaon ko.
Ako ko maihaw nya kay mukha gago-hago. Hago-hago yo kay pakaon nimo. Ala ro.
Ini
Mama imo kanan sabaw-sabaw.
So nasa tayo paklay. So kani kalderitas, kani paklay.
Butang-butang gyud po nagsabaw.